Hello, little explorers! Are you ready? Because today we're going on a super special trip, a magical journey into the amazing world of tomorrow. Oh, I'm so excited!
But first, I have a very, very important question for you. Are you ready for an adventure? I hope you said a big yes, because it's time to go. Let's get our imaginations ready. All right, everyone, buckle up in our special time machine. We're about to fly into the future. Hold on tight. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, whoosh, we're off. Wow, we've landed in the future. And what's the very first thing we see? The streets are full of cars, but wait, something is different. These are special cars because they don't have anybody driving them. Ooh-wee! Just look at them go. These cars are moving all by themselves. And you know what? They're actually super safe. That's because these smarty pants cars have special computer brains and camera eyes that see everything and help them keep everyone tucked in safe and sound. So how do these amazing cars work? Is it magic? How do they know when to stop and when to go? Let's take a closer look and find out their secret. It's actually really simple. First, you just tell the car where you want to go. Maybe you say, let's go to the playground. Then the car just drives all by itself. And the best part? You can read books, play with your toys, or watch cartoons the whole time. Vroom, vroom. So these future cars are not only smart, they're safe, and they give us more time for fun. The cities of tomorrow are going to be so clever. But wait, that's not all we're going to see today. Our adventure in the world of tomorrow is just getting started. If you thought cars that drive themselves were cool, just wait until you see what's next. Let's go. Everybody look up. Way up in the sky, in the future, we won't always need roads. That's right, cars will be able to fly high, high up, zooming through the air just like little airplanes. Whoosh! Can you imagine that? Soaring right over the tops of houses and looking down at all the tiny little trees below? It would be just like having your very own spaceship. So, if you had a magical flying car, what would be the very first place you would go? Would you fly to the beach? Or maybe go visit Grandma and Grandpa in a flash? Okay, explorers, our journey is taking us somewhere new. This time, we're not just seeing something amazing. We're going to meet someone very, very special. A friend from the future. Well, hello there. Look who's here to say hi. That's right. In the future, we'll have our very own robot friends who can play with us and even become part of the family. And what can our robot friends do? So many things. They can help us tidy up our toys after we're done playing. They can tell us exciting bedtime stories. And, of course, they can play all our favorite games with us. Beep boop. Just imagine having a best friend who's also a super smart robot. You could learn so many new things and go on fun adventures together. The future is going to be so friendly. We have seen so many amazing things on our trip today. But now, it's time to talk about the most important part of the future, and that's you. You see, the most important thing to remember is that new ideas, like the ones we've seen today, are what will keep changing our world. They're going to help make life better and happier for everyone. The world is full of flying cars, helpful robot buddies, and so many other secrets, just waiting for bright young explorers like you to discover them. And that leaves us with one last big, exciting question. With your amazing imagination, what fantastic new thing will you dream up for the world of tomorrow?